Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I am the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing the last week's pricing action on the OTC markets and taking a look at my outlook for the coming week. But before we get into that, we want to do a salute to all our veterans that fought to make this weekend possible. We would not be where we are without our wonderful veterans, and we salute all our subscribers that are veterans and those that are also active duty military. So thank you again for your service, and we want to wish everyone a wonderful and safe Memorial Day weekend. But before we get into today's analysis, a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion and meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. Also hit the red subscribe button and the little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com where you can sign up with your email. The service is free. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks we're going to be covering. Stocks like MNMD at 60 cents, GGII at 0.005, ABML at 6 cents, ALPP at 7.5 cents. After you sign up with your email, you could then sign up with your mobile number. This is important as we sometimes do text-only alerts, as this is the fastest way to get something out to our subscribers. If we see something that's come across our desk that's very exciting, you simply enter your country code followed by your number. Never begin the format with 00. So if you're in the US and Canada, simply enter 1 plus your area code and number, and you're all set. With that out of the way, let's dive in here. Well, the stock of the week is without a doubt GMER. This is up 417% on the week, followed by PQEFF, which was up 221%, GRLT, which was up 140%, SBFM up 110%, MJWL had a nice bounce, still closed up 78% on the week, HMBL up 77% on the week, NSAV up 72% on the week, and FORW up 70% on the week. GGII was down for the week but had a nice bounce on Friday, up 40%. GGII, if you didn't get our alert at 0.005, we published for our regular readers after the fact, so that's why it's important to always be get on our mailing list. This way you get this alerts before our regular readers. We had come out a few weeks ago. We said GGII stock, nickel, dime, quarter dollars. This article really contributed to the momentum in the stock. But this is a classic example of trading OTC. You get these explosive moves, and then you get these big crashes. And this is why it's always important to always book profits, take some money off the table, buy dips, sell rips. We're not into the diamond hands, paper hands, BS. Remember, you will never go broke taking a profit. So don't get caught up into the social media BS and the pressure to hold. Don't do that. We're coming out of a bear market. We like the action in the OTC. It's getting better. We had peaked in February, and then for a few weeks it was very, very difficult. Markets were selling off relentlessly. The market makers were hitting all the bids, naked shorting a lot of these OTC stocks, these former runners, and it was brutal. But folks, it's starting to turn around. We're getting these runners like GMER, MJWL. Just been an incredible win for our subscribers. We had come out last weekend, talked about it. And we said MJWL set to be the next crypto runner. So we came out last weekend on May 22nd, and just contributed to the bullish enthusiasm on MJWL. But what we try to do, again, for our subscribers, it's all about getting in before the crowd. We don't believe in day trading, not chasing these runners. If you missed it, you missed it. If you really like the stock, just wait for the dip, buy low, sell high. That's how you make money in the OTC markets. Not chasing, not scalping. You can catch these big moves, by buying low, selling high. So trying not to oversimplify things, but I'm a firm believer in the KISS system, which is just simply keep it simple, stupid. So again, if you missed the move, don't go chasing it. There's always going to be another runner in the OTC. Case in point is GMER. Just a incredible runner this week, but the RSI closed over 90. I'm expecting this one to pull back. If you want to find out more about GMER, my colleague Ryan Mitchell wrote it up last week and explained what's going on with its NFT platform. It's a crypto NFT play, so a lot of people are getting excited about that. So he also talks about PQEFF, VDRM, and gives an update on GGII. So all the coverage is on the site. You just simply go to this search term, enter any stock you want to take a look at, and it's there for you to take a look and do your research. Start there. Then also remember, go to OTCMarkets.com, check out disclosures, filings, latest news. It's all there for you. So a big part of becoming successful on the OTC markets, learn to earn. Use the resources, capture the sentiment, what their folks are talking about on iHub, StockTwits, and Twitter. But in the end, make your own decisions, learn your own comfort levels, learn your own emotional psychology. Look, I'm not a day trader. I tried day trading. I don't like the intraday swings. I much more prefer the Warren Buffett style of investing, which is doing a lot of research, looking at SEC filings, and getting in, before the crowd. So, finding the next runners before they run. So, that's how you make the big money in the OTC markets. What else we want to discuss? SBFM. My colleague's doing a deep dive on SBFM. We'll be coming out with that this week. Also, one of our writers is doing an in-depth on HCMC. That will be hitting the tape over the next few days. This one has a huge following, 88,000 followers on StockTwits. It's trading above the 200-day. This one has a history of fireworks. So you're definitely going to want to be signed up to get this deep dive on HCMC. HMBL, we talked about this one last weekend on our video. It was a Hindenburg attack, came out last week, but it was, the market sort of just goes, big deal. And the reason it was no big deal is that everyone that was going to sell HMBL, they already sold it. The nervous weak hands had already got shook out. This is another one that has a huge following on social media. There's a lot of die-hard Humble fans. They really like Brian Foote, and the Hindenburg hit piece came out with a yawn. So we're really happy to see this stock climbing this week, up 77%. Happy to see Hindenburg taking a loss in their short position. So congrats, Humble Army, for squeezing the shorts last week. So nice rebound there. And the 200-day is 135, the 20-day is 113. The next significant resistance is the 50-day at 208. So we're expecting this week Humble to climb to the $2 level, and the RSI is just at 52. So this one has room to keep climbing. NSAV, this is one we've talked about a lot on the site. This one pulled right back to the 200-day at 0.008. Very, very strong support. Folks, if you're really looking at charts, I have the 20, the 50, and the 200-day, but the 200-day is by far the most important moving average. This is, if you're looking for dip buys, you'll see the stock pull back to the 200-day on a regular basis, and these are great levels to buy off of. So, if you're doing your own homework, these are things to look for, but also, these are the alerts, type of alerts that we send out to our subscribers, when a key level is hit. So this is why it's so important to be a subscriber to Insider Financial. What else we got here? GRLT, this was a really nice runner last week. Talked about this one last week as well. My colleague Jim Bloom came out with a summed up GRLT, what we had told our subscribers before our regular readers. So this is a chain of fast casual dining restaurants, so check out what we had to say about GRLT. So it was a good week. Excited for the upcoming week after the long Memorial Day holiday. We're seeing crypto crashing. Folks, right now I think crypto is going to be a little tough for a while, but OTC is starting to heat up. So what you're seeing is money coming out of crypto going into OTC. When the OTC gets bad, you'll see some of that money come out, go into crypto. So the hot money is chasing, where it can make the fast money. So, that's the name of the game, and, money flows and money goes where opportunities are. And right now, as you can see, what's happening with GMER, there's opportunities in the OTC right now, and this is what we're excited about. The OTC is making a comeback. So, this is a great time to start putting more money to work. As I've told in my previous videos, when it's hard when we're in a bear market and it's tough to make money, this is when you want to scale, do smaller positions. We send out less alerts, but now things are starting to turn, and now's the time to start putting money to work. With that being said, make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com with your email and your mobile number. And, the best part is that it is a free service. Again, wish everyone a wonderful and safe Memorial Day weekend. And I'll be coming live to you on Tuesday with an further assessment of the coming week. Thank you, everyone, and chat soon. Bye-bye.